Get your laughing gear around some homemade rough puff pastry.
First step is you're going to bang your butter straight into the freezer. You want to go about 240 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Bugger your scales off. Bang in your sugar, your salt. Now just beat the crap out of that. Right, just keep the wrap on your butter because you're going to get crap everywhere. You're just going to grate it in. Now if it becomes really hard to grate, just quickly dip it in your flour. A lot easier. And just sort of coat it in the flour as you go. Otherwise it's going to melt everywhere. Add 6 tablespoons ice cold water and then we'll start to mix it together. Just make sure you spread it evenly. Give it a quick whipping. Then add a tablespoon of water at a time. Then from there, you basically just want to clump it together until it forms a loose crumb dough ball. When it looks something like that, we're going to bang this into a rough 1.5 centimeter to 1/2 inch square. Now throw this into the fridge and start cleaning up everything before you get your ass ripped. Right, with the power of Harry Potter, we fast forwarded an hour, it's chilled. We're now going to lightly flour our surface, roll it out to about 1 centimeter thick. We're aiming for a nice rectangle here. You're going to fold it into thirds just like you would a piece of paper, just like that. Rip it around 90 degrees, roll it out, and you're going to repeat that another 4 times. One thing I will say, try and keep your hands off it as much as possible, otherwise the butter's going to heat up. And if you feel like it's getting away from you, feel free to bang it into the fridge for 10 minutes and come back and start working it. If you can, do this overnight. I like to do this the day before, then bang out the pies. Lightly dust your surface, and we're going to roll it out to a couple of mil thick. There's a quick recipe to make rough puff pastry.
Even if you're going to get layers like this, it'd be much better than store-bought.
If you've got a bit more time and butter up your sleeve, you can do a full puff pastry. All right, bang it in.